Hey everybody, and welcome to the second video in this project to do acoustic insulation in closet D in the studio here. This is the foam that we bought. This is 4-inch pyramid foam. This is a favorite of mine. I like the 4-inch. We've done 4-inch for every other isolation booth in the studio, so this is no exception. What is different, however, is the purple. This is the purple color that we've got for the first time. This is a nice grape purple, I think would be a better way of describing it. And that's what we're going to use. So we've got various types of purple foam, and we're going to install them here in closet D. This is closet D. As you may remember from our first video, it's very, very small. And normally we'd be going with 4-inch foam everywhere. But because this is so small, we're actually going to be using 2-inch foam for portions of this. So this, for example, is a 2-inch by 2-inch corner block. And one of our concerns was when you put it in, would it clear the amp? And the answer is yes. However, it still is bumping up here. So maybe this amp will end up touching some of the pyramids on the bottom, but that's not really a major concern. This amp will still fit in here, no problem. But we are going with 2-inch on this wall here and on this wall here. And it's going to be 4-inch everywhere else. So that's what we have. Let me show you the type of foam that we have ordered if you want to do the same. Okay, over here we have some more foam that we ordered. This is corner block foam. This is the 4-inch corner block foam. So it's 4 inches this way, 4 inches this way, and then 24 inches or 2 feet that way. And these come in packs. Okay, and we're going to be using those mainly on the door and on the ceiling, the border of the ceiling. And over here, we have the stuff that's going to go on the walls. This is the 2-inch pyramid foam. So this stuff, we've never worked with this stuff before. It feels very thin for us, but needs must because it's such a cramped, small space. But we've got a whole bunch of this. And we have more of the 4-inch, the bigger stuff. Now, the 4-inch is going to go on the door, and it's going to go on the ceiling. And the 2-inch is going to go everywhere else. That's the idea. And between all of this, we're going to cover that entire room. Okay, we also ordered 2 of these. These are corner blocks. These are 12 inches by 12 inches by 12 inches. And we ordered these last time too in red because they're just pretty useful. But I gotta say, this time, this is one element that I'm not satisfied with this particular foam provider. Because if you look at these, they really don't line up. They're very imprecisely cut. And if you were to come out here, you can see that like this is a lot wider than this. You know, I don't know if you can do this. Just get an idea of like, they're not exactly precision cut, which is a little bit annoying. But the quality of the material seems to be pretty good. So that's one good thing. Okay, and if anyone is interested, this is the invoice for the foam. This is the place we got it from, Foam Factory, and this is what we ordered, and that's what it retails for. So you get an idea of the scope of this project, just soundproofing this little tiny amp closet. And there you go. I'm not sure if anyone's interested in that, but there you have it. People have been saying they want to know this stuff, so here you go. Okay, so this is the amp closet right there. What we're going to be doing next is we're going to be prepping it. We're going to be washing the walls, making sure it's a nice clean surface for the adhesive. We're going to be cleaning all the stuff out of there. We're going to be cutting the foam, and we're going to be showing you how we use adhesive to adhere it to the walls. We have a lot of experience doing this. We've worked with a lot of adhesives. A lot of them are really not what they're cracked up to be, but those are the next steps. So stay tuned in this series for part 3 where you could, or part 4, I should say, where you could see that. So thanks for watching. You guys are awesome, and we'll see you soon. Take care.